The shocking truth about money. How to build wealth from nothing. All riches have their origin in mind. Wealth is ideas and not money, said Robert Collier. Edward Young also stated, wealth is a state of mind, and anyone can acquire a wealthy state of mind by thinking rich thoughts. To become rich, you need to believe in ideas that feel beyond your reach. For example, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos is worth over $200 billion. Meanwhile, you might be stuck in a job that offers little financial relief, burdened by credit card debt or student loans. The dream of wealth feels distant as you compare yourself to billionaires and wonder, how did they do it? You might convince yourself they were just lucky or born into wealth, leading to self-doubt. Your dreams of living debt-free, owning a nice home, and traveling can feel unattainable. However, what if I told you that the journey to wealth is not based on luck, but on principles that many self-made billionaires, like George Soros, Elon Musk, and Oprah Winfrey, discovered early in their lives? The journey will be challenging, but true wealth lies at the end, freedom from financial worry. Section 1. Uncovering the lies about money. How do you perceive money? Is it something you earn or inherit? Have societal influences shaped your view, leading you to believe wealth is unattainable? A CNBC study shows that 67.7% of millionaires are self-made, while only 8.5% acquired wealth through inheritance. This reveals that the common belief that money equals salary from a job is misleading. As entrepreneur Jim Rohn said, formal education will make you a living, but only self-education will make you a fortune. Relying solely on job salary won't yield significant wealth. In today's job market, your earnings depend on hours worked. For instance, earning $20 an hour at 40 hours a week would take 25 years to reach $1 million, not accounting for expenses. Inflation further diminishes that value over time. To build real wealth, you'll need to rethink your approach to money. Section 2. Uncovering the secret behind true wealth. To achieve true wealth, you need to stop chasing money and start chasing value. Dr. Miles Monroe once said, if you want to become successful, seek to become a person of value. Generally, you are compensated based on your value. For example, a company manager oversees daily operations and earns more than a cleaner despite the cleaner's hard work. Why is that? The market perceives the manager as more valuable than the cleaner. The company can replace a cleaner quickly, but finding a better manager takes time. The critical question is, how can you increase your value? This leads us to the first step of the equation. Step 1. Solve problems. Your value increases when you solve problems. Again, borrowing from Dr. Miles Monroe, you are the solution to a problem in your generation. Consider Jeff Bezos, who solved the problem of needing to go to stores and wait in line. We can't forget the countless companies that sell their products through Amazon or the many people Amazon employs. Mark Zuckerberg tackled the challenge of social networking. Through Facebook, people can connect, interact, and conduct business more easily. These individuals did not chase money. Instead, they identified problems and provided solutions. As a result, money followed them. Step 2. Find a problem to solve. Look for a problem and its solution, and consider building a business around it. Take the time to listen to the market. What do people complain about? What do they wish they had? What frustrates them most? That's how you identify a problem. But is the problem worth solving? Can you make money from it? The answer lies in the next section. Section 3. Find a scalable solution. It's not enough to find a problem and its solution. The solution must be scalable. In simple terms, it should affect a broader target market. For example, starting a restaurant limits you to a specific town. However, starting a franchise is scalable. If your solution is a software program, you can sell it online without worrying about production and shipping costs. If you plan to offer fitness or yoga classes, consider providing them over the internet to reach a wider audience without having to conduct live sessions daily. Ask yourself, does this solution require most of my time to generate income? If the answer is yes, you risk returning to the scenario of exchanging time for money, which won't make you rich. Therefore, think about how to automate your solution to keep your business operational without requiring too much time. If there's someone you can outsource work to, or if you can hire someone, do so. It's never wise to handle everything independently, even if you believe you're the best at it. There's always someone who can perform the task better than you, so consider leveraging their skills to free up your time. Once you have a profitable business that reaches a broader market, you can reap the rewards, as explained in the next section. Section 4. Reap what you sow. At this stage, you will likely face two scenarios. 1. You can sell your business, or 2. Keep it. For instance, eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion, which significantly benefited Elon Musk. Similarly, Facebook purchased Instagram and WhatsApp for billions of dollars. If you sell your business, you could make millions, which you can then invest in other companies. Alternatively, you can keep the business and continue to grow it, depending on your preferences. You could sell it later when its value increases, which might be a gamble worth taking. You can also keep it as a family business to pass down to your children and future generations. Now, let's discuss the final part. Section 5. Your money or your life. You can now pay off your loans, drive your dream car, and take your dream vacation without worrying about money. You have come to realize that it wasn't just about accumulating money, but rather about achieving the freedom that comes from not having to worry about it. That, my friend, is the essence of genuine wealth. Stop chasing money. Start addressing problems. Then, find scalable solutions to those problems. This is the equation through which true wealth is attained. The surprising truth about money. That's all for now. See you in the next video.